In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Pocket Option to your Cash app. So first just open up Pocket Option in your browser and then log in your account. Once you do that, all you need to do is just click on this finance option at the top. Click on this finance and then it's going to display all of this option. So from here, click on this withdrawal. And once you do that, this will show you this window. From here, it will show you the balance that you have in your wallet to withdraw and the minimum withdrawal amount that you have to enter, and all the fees they will charge for you withdrawing your money. So from here you have to click on this payment method and then it will display many payment methods. So from here you have to click on this Visa Mastercard option, and after this you have to enter the amount that you want to transfer from your Pocket Option to your Cash app, and then enter your Cash app card number and expiration date. So if you don't know your card number, let me show you how to get it. First just open your app and then click on this card button right next to your balance at the bottom, and then this will show your card at the top. This will display your card number, so you can simply copy the card number from here and then paste it in this box, and there will be also displayed your expiration date. So simply enter all these details and then click on this continue button, and once you do that you will be able to withdraw or transfer your money from Pocket Option to Cash app. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.